you know it was strawberry shortcake? How did you know that? How did you know what strawberry shortcake was? How did you know? I don't know how to put a picture in his phone.
Whoa!
It's a stove that makes realistic noises. She said as soon as she saw strawberry shortcake.
Did she?
She knew what strawberry shortcake was. Oh, look at the box. Look what it is in the box, Mia.
Whoa!
She gets every little scrap of paper. She's
A tape.
tape.
I want to take off. I want scissors.
You want this?
I want
Look at that. See, the box opens right at the bottom now.
It's
honey.
a very shortcake.
Yeah.
Strawberry shortcake. How did you know? Honey, I couldn't take a picture
I
of your phone. I don't know how. And mine, I don't know if the car fried my phone or what, but I can't get it to do anything. It's still charging.
Can we, she wants to open this. Yeah, I know it's taped, Sweet Pea. So we gotta cut it or something. Dad, can we get this open?
I think
After your...
I need help.
you need help.
Okay.
Oh, swimmers.
Let's see.
Yeah. Whoa.
There we go.
What? We need scissors?
No, we don't need scissors. We could figure this out.
What? Else? I have open.
Yeah, we almost got it.
We're all there. Oh, but Sugar's miss me.
Miss you? You think they missed you?
Yeah.
Waiting for your birthday?
Yeah.
There we go.
But Sugar.
Strawberry shortcake in there.
My Sugar.
It has lots of stuff.
My Sugar.
Your shortcake.
Wow.
That's your,
Okay, that's the stove. All the utensils and stuff. Table.
she's got stickers for it.
And the oven's probably in there too.
And look at this.
Wow.
Wow, this does have a million pieces, doesn't
We
it?
go make one.
Yeah. Mia, what do you think?
Tea pie.
Mia, what do we say to Mama and Papa?
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's that? That'll go open.
Here's this oven door.
We go make a house.
Well, it didn't say assembly required,
We'll
but
make a
obviously
house.
it is.
We're gonna make a kitchen.
Yeah.
We go make a kitchen.
Uh-huh.
Woo!
So I'm sure I'm gonna have to travel with all this.
Sorry, Annie.
It's alright.
Well, that's what we said. We were wondering if it was,
Wow.
oh, this goes on it too, I guess.
Mommy,
The back of
look! Two pieces.
We put it together with instructions.
Mommy, look, mango.
Yeah. Oh, I bet you the instructions are down there.
Alrighty, Mia. An
Oh,
awesome present. We'll assemble it now, okay?
Okay.
Say I love you.
I love you.